In today's video, we're taking a classic comfort food to the next level with a delicious twist. I'm going to show you how to make a savory meatloaf with a mouth-watering BBQ glaze. This recipe is easy to follow and perfect for any dinner occasion. So if that's of any interest to you, keep watching and let's get right into it. Add 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 egg, half a cup of barbecue sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of chopped onions, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and other seasonings or herbs of your liking in a large bowl and mix until well combined. In a small bowl, mix together 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Transfer the meat mixture into a greased or lined 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and top with the barbecue glaze. Bake at 350 for an hour and 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Let cool for about 10 minutes, slice and serve. I love pairing this meatloaf with fluffy mashed potatoes and a rich onion and mushroom gravy to make it a complete meal that's bursting with flavor. I hope you enjoyed cooking along and that this recipe becomes a new favorite in your home. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!